Earlier video we showed you the WrinGo sponge wringer. Since then they have come out with this new workstation. The WrinGo workstation can be used in two configurations. The first one is if you're doing floor work. You just set it on top of the rolling cart, and then the WrinGo goes inside here, and then you can roll it around on the floor. Second configuration is if you're doing wall work. So you flip over the base. Underneath the base there is these little tubes. You throw the tubes into these holes here. And the WrinGo goes up on there, like so, and the tool goes in here. Just in case you missed the first video, water goes in the tank, you turn it on, the dirty sponge goes in, goes through the water, comes back up, and it's wrung out and ready to use again. So if you're ready to purchase the WrinGo or the WrinGo workstation, come into Master Wholesale or shop at masterwholesale.com.